Hi, welcome to Moon Info. I'm Faizi and with me is Mr. Rajput. Before start the video, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will learn more about this code. Are you ready? Let's start.
Today, we will learn few things in Malay. We start with
मेज,
table. In Malay, meja. I repeat, meja.
कुर्सी,
Chair in Malay is kerusi. One more time. Kerusi.
सोफा,
Sofa in Malay is also sofa.
पलंग,
Bed in Malay, katil. I repeat, katil.
पलंग,
Bed in Malay, katil. I repeat,
मैट्रेस,
mattress in Malay is tilam. I repeat again, tilam.
तकिया,
Pillow in Malay is bantal. I repeat, bantal.
कंबल,
Blanket in Malay is selimut. I repeat once again, selimut.
बिस्तर की चादर,
Bed sheet in Malay is cadar tilam. One more time, cadar tilam.
आईना,
Mirror in Malay is cermin. I repeat, cermin. I repeat this lesson again.
If you want us to teach you more, make sure subscribe.
मेज,
Table in Malay, meja. I repeat, meja.
कुर्सी,
Chair in Malay is kerusi. One more time, kerusi.
सोफा,
Sofa in Malay is also sofa.
पलंग,
Bed in Malay, katil. I repeat, katil.
पलंग,
Bed in Malay, katil. I repeat,
मैट्रेस,
mattress in Malay is tilam. I repeat again, tilam.
तकिया,
Pillow in Malay is bantal. I repeat, bantal.
कंबल,
Blanket in Malay is selimut. I repeat once again, selimut.
बिस्तर की चादर,
Bed sheet in Malay is cadar tilam. One more time, cadar tilam.
आईना,
Mirror in Malay is cermin. I repeat, cermin. I repeat this lesson again.
If you want us to teach you more, make sure subscribe and hit the bell icon.
मेज,
Table in Malay, meja. I repeat, meja.
कुर्सी,
Chair in Malay is kerusi. One more time, kerusi.
सोफा,
Sofa in Malay is also sofa.
पलंग,
Bed in Malay, katil. I repeat, katil.
पलंग,
Bed in Malay, katil. I repeat,
मैट्रेस,
mattress in Malay is tilam. I repeat again, tilam.
तकिया,
Pillow in Malay is bantal. I repeat, bantal.
कंबल,
Blanket in Malay is selimut. I repeat once again. Selimut.
बिस्तर की चादर.
Bed sheet in Malay is cadar tilam. One more time. Cadar tilam.
आईना.
Mirror in Malay is cermin. I repeat, cermin.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.